Namaste, hello friends. Today, using shapes, I am drawing Varli art. Varli art is a design form, folk art form, where only shapes is used to depict daily life activities. And using circle, triangle, squares, the Varli folk people or the tribal people depict their daily life like marriage, animal grazing, dancing, and so on. Here I am drawing the dance form. So let us begin. We have come to an end of this video tutorial. People have been using shapes to draw, to paint from the beginning of civilization around the world. I will be posting more videos. Until then, bye.